Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your tagged account. So for this, first of all, open up your tagged app. As you open up your tagged app and land on the main home page, on the lower right corner you will see an option that says profile. Tap on it. After tapping on profile, when you scroll down, you will see an option that says settings. Tap on it. Then scroll downwards, and on the last option you will see cancel account. So tap on cancel account, and then tagged will ask you the reason why you're canceling. So select an option that is the most suitable to you, and then tap on submit. Tap on yes in order to confirm that you're trying to cancel your account. Tap on continue, and then here you will get a notice that says that your tagged account has been cancelled and that all of your profile information from any public view on tagged has been cancelled already. So if you also have to remember that if you signed up with an email address, you can always reactivate your account at any time by simply logging in with your email and password. And then here, when you tap on the lower left corner, you will see that you will no longer be logged into your tagged account. So this is how you delete your account. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.